Here now is in Salon Supplies, one of the largest sections at Beautyworld Middle East 2019. 350 plus exhibitors in this particular section. Nazih Group, a long-time exhibitor at Beautyworld Middle East, is in this section. I'm with Abdul Hamad, the professional beauty manager of Nazih Group. Thank you very much for joining us, Abdul.
You're welcome.
Highlights at Beautyworld Middle East 2019. Now, we've been through all of your salon supplies, essentially, and especially you have some very, very nice brands here. The first of which, Italian company Maletti.
Correct.
Tell us about this particular brand.
Maletti is a long-time salon supplies for furniture, dedicated into taking care of the customers, the health care of the customer, the therapists, the qualities. They take into also the design. If you can see, there is a new collection with Sarah Lavoine, a French designer who takes the design of round shapes. So the interior of the salon can also be taken part of the luxury as well as the health, the benefit of the customer while taking a hair, let's say a hair wash or a haircut.
Some very sort of contemporary designs, very modern and chic looking, isn't it?
Yes.
Proper sort of European style, isn't it?
Correct. Also the colors, they take care about the colors. There is a very different new kinds of leathers. They take care of that. The leather is also part of the design. So the ambience of the salon is very relaxing for a customer who passes in.
So that's Maletti, furniture for salon supplies, salons, and then of course sister company Nilo, which is more specifically for spas. Is that right?
Correct. It also takes care about spas for massage, skincare treatments, facials, waxing. So it's more into spas and the relaxation of the customers of spa. So we will see some new also techniques for the beds.
Yeah, there's actually a new product you're launching. What, a new product for Beautyworld Middle East 2019?
Yes.
This particular, okay.
So the same bed can be used for several issues. So it can be automatically changed into a pedicure area, a manicure section. The head part can be removed, so it can be easily changed to a washing basin from the back side. So it gives some salons, they are paying high on rent, so they don't need to have 3 or 4 rooms for these full services. That's why this is called all-in-one. So they can have one room with multi-purpose facilities and the treatments they can offer to their customers.
What would this particular piece of furniture cost?
It's almost around 30,000 dirhams.
Cheap, huh?
For the services that you're having, it is.
Okay, and here's also quite, it's quite an interesting looking, nice brown leather, very supple, and so again, it's that sort of quality kind of Italian style, isn't it?
Yes, the final touches is also very important. The stitching, to make sure that the salon is buying a piece that can last around 10 years, especially with the stitching over here. These are for professional use. On a daily basis, they would have 10 to 15 customers sitting and using these chairs. So for a 10 years plus investment, you need a good quality brand that can still give you the comfort. There is a massage inside. The type of leather doesn't fade out. So all these small details,
Very important, I guess,
we
aren't they?
need to show these visitors to the exhibitions and explain, because it's difficult to explain in a picture to customers.
So these are your two Italian furniture supplies for salons and spas, and then of course you have a Japanese
Yes.
particular brand, don't you? Takara Belmont. Again, you have been. This has been within your portfolio. You've had a long-term relationship with them, haven't you?
More than 20 years. We have been in partnership with them. We also like to select our suppliers based on a long-term relationship. For a long-term also to reflect this long-term relationship with our customers. Sustaining the service, the quality, the after-sale service from supplier to us, the distributor, and to the salon is very important. So Takara Belmont is the most famous brand for hair barber chairs, washing chairs, and some salon consoles.
This is quite an interesting product. This is I guess, the highlight of Beautyworld Middle East 2019. Yeah, is this a relatively new product as well?
Yes, it is also a barber chair that can be flattened out, so the salon customer can have comfort while also washing his chair. It has a memory button that you can fix to this position. So whenever you want to have this position, you can press this button automatically, same as your car seat. There is a memory button.
Yeah.
So there is a memory button for different types of customers.
Really?
Yes, and for this position.
Very cool. So if I come here 1 week, I come back in a month, I can choose my exact same position that I last assumed in that
Exactly.
seat.
Yes, of course.
Very nice. And how much does this piece of machinery cost?
This is cost around 35,000 dirhams.
It's good value for money though, isn't it?
Yes.
Lasts a very long time.
It lasts more than 20 years actually. We have some salons that they had it 20 years ago. It's a different style, but they still have the same chair, the same hydraulics is working, electronics all are working good, and they're very happy. This is a good investment for a professional salon.
Can I take a seat?
Of course, go ahead.
I'll just give it a whirl, I'll see how it is. Oh yeah, it is quite nice. Yeah, very nice. I could certainly picture myself in a salon, UAE salon, with this lovely piece of machinery here.
All dimensions are electrical, so let me have this.
Yeah, this is, and has this been sold yet in the UAE?
Yes, it's being sold in five-star salons or barber shops where they care about their customer base. So if you try to have your head down, also go ahead. Feel the comfort.
I might just go to sleep now, and then we'll just cut off this interview, and I'll just have a bit of a nap, and then we'll pick it up again in 5 minutes. Yeah.
That's good.
If I was in a salon, I could save my memory there, and then I'll come back in a month's time, and then push a button and be back exactly the same sort of position it was. Very nice. Nazih Group has been exhibiting at Beautyworld Middle East for many years now. Why is it important for you to be at this show? You mentioned before that it's obviously you're showcasing your products, but it's also an important opportunity to reach out to professionals and educate about the products.
Exactly. We need to. It is a good Beautyworld is a very good place to have all these kind of customers who have different needs, and we are giving them the quick answer on spot. Especially with furniture, different customers have different needs in size, in layout. All these suppliers are here also to give them a full solution to their business. So this chair, how many features can they use? For what kind of customers? So a total business solution, it's just not a chair. So there are other paths for this chair.
It doesn't just stop at retail point and that's it, do your own thing.
Yes. So these customers, when they come over here, we need to give them this information specifically to evaluate why this value of chair is high and why this is good investment for them for the long term. So we're not here to sell a customer and then have them buy the same furniture next year. We're having partnership with these suppliers, and we wish to have partnership with these customers as well in the ground. We've been here in the market for since 1975, and we're staying for a long time. So we care about our long-term relationship with our customers as well.
Abdu, thank you very much for your time, and good luck with the rest of the Beautyworld Middle East.
Thank you so much for passing by. Good luck.